Hey everyone, welcome to my review of Credit Simple NZ. Check the description for links and more info. Credit Simple NZ is a free credit score tool specifically for Kiwis. It pulls your credit data from Ilion, giving you accurate insights into your credit standing. Perfect for anyone wanting to manage their finances, whether you're building credit or improving your score. Get instant access to your credit score for free. Sign up and see your credit health in minutes. Credit Simple breaks down your report into easy-to-understand sections, showing payment history, inquiries, and balances. You'll see your strengths and weaknesses clearly. Plus, get personalized financial offers based on your credit profile. Credit cards, loans, and other products tailor to your score, saving you time and showing you qualifying options. Credit Simple also helps you plan financially. Their Money Simple feature lets you budget, track spending, and gain control. Your score is regularly updated so you can monitor changes and adjust habits. Take a proactive approach to your credit, free of charge. Whether rebuilding, planning financially, or staying informed, Credit Simple NZ gives you the essential tools. It's user-friendly and valuable for anyone in New Zealand wanting to understand and improve their financial health. Start managing your credit with Credit Simple NZ today, link in the description.